Hey everyone, it's me, Rai, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Etchr Llamated edition series of sketchbooks. There's 5 hot press sketchbooks. You might have seen me unbox the cold press ones recently. I got these because it's 100% cotton watercolor paper, which is great. The binding is beautiful. I like the other ones, and I am excited about these. These are going to be the hot press, so it's going to have a smoother surface, which I think I'm going to be doing more drawing in them because hot press really lends itself well to that, the very smooth lines you can get. This is the unboxing and my first impressions of this. I am thrilled that they put a lot of effort into this packaging because I feel like it'd make a great gift. So next time I order these, I'm probably going to be gifting them because I already have so many sketchbooks already. But yeah, I'm going to be excited to know that the packaging looks great. So if I do gift it to somebody, I know how it's going to come. Of the 5 books, this one was my favorite color. It's almost like a cerulean blue, almost on the teal side. There is a teal book, but this one is, it's gorgeous. As you can see, they come well packaged. And everything is in pristine condition. It's just ready to get all muddy and kind of messed up from drawing and painting in. The signatures are all bound really well and it lays really flat, so you can easily watercolor in it if you want to clip it down or clip it open. Comes with this cute little ribbon bookmarker and of course a little classic elastic to hold the book shut. I'm going to show you all these sizes, and this one is, I think this one's my favorite size of them because it's small, but it's not so mini that I struggle to kind of draw inside. Like I say before in other videos, I'm a pretty big person. I have big hands, so it's hard for me to kind of work smaller, but I do want to put together more travel sketchbooks and pocket sketchbooks I could just carry in a jacket pocket and form little kits. It's just something I'm into right now, so it's my hobby, and I definitely just want to create more sketchbooks at this size. I'll have more of the dimensions kind of overlaid in text over the video, but also in the description if you're interested. And these are Llamated editions, meaning they're kind of limited editions. The llama is their little logo, so they call it Llamated. But it is, the little Llamated editions are not available until they kind of offer it again. So it's this little marketing thing I fell for, and I love it. That they show you like a run of books they want to do, and if they get enough people to order, then they'll run the order and they'll make the books. So this one was my second favorite color, this really deep blue that I just showed. These are the mini ones, as cute as they are. My aesthetic goes straight to these. Aesthetically, I love these ones the most because they're so bitsy and ridiculously small and, I don't know, conversation starters and everything above. But it's not something I'm going to be using as much possibly. So while I love them and I think they're so fun, it's more of, it's just going to be kind of a very big experiment for me to work that small. So if you follow Etchr, by the way, it's not paid promotion. All this is stuff I got with my own money, and I was just very interested in this. But if you are interested in kind of finding out when they do these promotions, I think the best thing to do would be to go on Instagram and follow them, and it kind of, the algorithm kind of like pushed these on me. So this one's cute because it has the etching on the front of it. But yeah, so you could kind of find out when they're going to be doing these runs. I might be on their mailing list, but I don't open any of my junk mail, so it's if they are marketing it to me there, I don't see it at all. I only see it through Instagram. If you have any questions about these, if I do end up filling some, I will do better, like an actual review of them, but these are just my first impressions. They're great, they're beautiful. They're kind of pricey, but at the same time, I feel like they're great gifts. These are gifts to myself for an early birthday gift. But yeah, Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and all that great stuff. Hope to see you all soon.